Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you a little refresher on how to press our ornaments. I just did some new designs for the Arabesque tile MDF ornament, and we're going to press them right now. We press at 365 for 45 seconds on each side, and the coating is on both sides of the blank, so you have to peel that off first before you tape it onto your transfer. I've already done that, so I'll just quickly show you. I'm going to press 3 of them. So I got them all taped up. Hopefully they're in the right position. And the press is ready, so I'm just going to cover it up with some butcher paper. And there we go. Okay, so that's the first side. And I'm going to flip it over. And that's what it looks like. Didn't get it lined up quite perfect, but it's pretty good. Okay. Yeah. Tape. And the other one. And then there's this one. These are all watercolors that I did for Christmas last year, but I think they're good for any time. They're not following any specific trend. They're more traditional. So, okay. So that's how we do those. I'm going to just quickly tape up the other side. See if I can't line it up. I have blank ones of these as well, so with the designs you can add a photo or your own text or picture, whatever you like. Might be easier just to do one of these in a demo, but I wanted to see what the designs look like. Okay. So I'll flip them over. And do it one more time. Okay, they're a little bit warm. Should probably just grab a heat glove. Here we go. And these are very cute. That one's for you, Anna Marie. And that's it. Thanks for watching.